Hi, this is Lisa from Pivot 2 Solutions. Today we are going to be discussing the advanced options in your SmartView options. We won't talk to all of these, instead we will just review the items that are pertinent. You can access your SmartView options by clicking on the Options button on your SmartView ribbon on the top pane. Your shared connection URL contains a SmartView connection that has been set up by your administrator. For more information on this, we will be providing a tutorial on connecting to SmartView. The number of undo actions is a handy tool that allows you to have up to 100 undo operations. For more information on using undo and redo, see our Navigating Through Data tutorial. The next item relates to how many of your most recently used connections will be displayed. A bit like how you can view your most recent Excel or Word files. Unless you are using a large number of connections, the default here will be fine. The logging area will be set up by your administrator, so this section can be left as it is. In the Displays section, we recommend checking the Enable Ribbon Context Changing, Display Floating Toolbar, and Disable Options Not Valid for Active Connection. In Compatibility, we recommend selecting Reduce Excel file size and improve metadata storage. And lastly, ensure you have selected Use double-click for operations in the Mode section to ensure you are able to use the mouse double-click to navigate through your data. As the Advanced tab options are global settings, these will be automatically saved as your default options for all existing and new sheets and workbooks. So that was a brief introduction to the advanced options available to you in SmartView. If you have any further questions or feedback, please reach out to us via our website or YouTube channel, and we look forward to seeing you next time on our Pivot 2 tutorials.